If you want to buy the best French door air fryer, then you're in the right place. Out of all the different French door air fryers on the market, I've narrowed down the best options to a top 5 list. Let's see which products made the cut. Links to each product are in the description box below. The number 5 product on my list is the Gourmia French door air fryer oven, which I rate as the best air fryer with French doors for those on a budget. You'll love the convenience of the Gourmia French door air fryer oven. With its 17 preset cooking functions, you can air fry, bake, toast, and more at the touch of a button. The easy-to-use digital controls let you adjust time, temperature, and settings with precision, ensuring perfect results every time. The FryForce 360 degrees technology is a game changer for your cooking routine. This patented airflow system creates a powerful cyclonic heat that cooks food quickly and evenly. You'll get that crispy exterior and moist interior you crave using little to no oil. It's a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without sacrificing taste or texture. Space saving is a breeze with this compact marvel. Despite its small footprint, you can still fit a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread inside. The French doors add a touch of style to your kitchen while making it easy to check on your food. Plus, the large viewing window lets you keep an eye on your culinary creations without opening the doors. You'll appreciate the included accessories that come with this air fryer oven. The dishwasher-safe air fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray make cleanup a snap. These tools also expand your cooking possibilities, allowing you to experiment with different recipes and techniques. The Gourmia French door air fryer oven is perfect for various living situations. Whether you're in a small apartment, dorm room, or even an RV, this appliance brings gourmet cooking capabilities to any space. Its versatility and efficiency make it an excellent choice for those who want to streamline their kitchen gadgets without compromising on cooking options. Taking the number 4 spot on my best French door air fryer toaster oven list is the Midea Flexify French door air fryer, which is highly rated for its sleek design, versatile functions, and impressive cooking performance. The Midea Flexify French door air fryer brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen countertop. Its stylish stainless steel exterior and double French doors make it a standout appliance. You'll appreciate the large LED display, which clearly shows cooking settings and remaining time. This air fryer boasts an impressive 26.4 quart capacity, perfect for families or entertaining. You can easily fit a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or 14 chicken wings inside. The spacious interior allows you to prepare larger meals without sacrificing counter space. You'll find the Flexify's 10 cooking functions incredibly useful. From air frying to roasting, baking, and even slow cooking, this versatile appliance can handle a wide range of culinary tasks. The dehydrate function is particularly handy for making healthy snacks at home. The Cyclone air fryer technology sets this model apart. It cooks food 25% faster than traditional methods while using 90% less oil. You'll enjoy crispy, delicious results without the guilt of excessive oil use. The VDE certified heat evenness ensures your food cooks uniformly every time. Precise temperature control allows you to adjust settings in 5-degree increments from 100 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of control gives you the flexibility to experiment with different recipes and achieve perfect results. The timer can be set in 1-minute increments, providing accurate cooking times for all your favorite dishes. Okay, so if you're hunting for the best French door toaster oven air fryer, then you should definitely check out the Kalorik MAXX digital air fryer oven. The Kalorik MAXX digital air fryer oven is a powerhouse in the kitchen. Its Turbo Max technology allows you to cook meals faster while using less energy than a traditional oven. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up crispy French fries, juicy steaks, and tender chicken. With 10 cooking functions in one appliance, you'll find yourself reaching for the Kalorik MAXX for nearly every meal. air fry, bake, toast, roast, rotisserie, braise, sear, dehydrate, broil, and warm, all at the touch of a button. The intuitive digital interface makes it easy to select from 21 smart presets, ensuring perfect results every time. Families and entertainers will appreciate the generous 26-quart capacity. You can easily fit a 14-pound turkey or a 12-inch pizza inside. Multiple rack levels allow you to cook different foods simultaneously, making meal prep a breeze. Imagine roasting a chicken while air frying vegetables for a complete dinner with minimal effort. The Kalorik MAXX comes with an impressive array of accessories. You'll get an air frying basket, baking tray, air rack, crumb tray, bacon tray, steak tray, rotisserie spit and forks, rack handle, and rotisserie handle. These versatile tools expand your cooking possibilities and help you make the most of your new appliance. Temperature control is a breeze with this oven. You can set it anywhere up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for achieving that crispy exterior on your favorite foods. The built-in timer and automatic shutoff features add convenience and safety to your cooking experience. Plus, the French door design gives the oven a sleek, modern look that will complement any kitchen decor. Okay, so if you're looking for the best French door air fryer and don't mind spending a bit extra, then I'd highly recommend checking out the Calphalon Performance French door air fryer, which brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its French door design isn't just for looks. It opens with a single pull, making it easy to insert and remove food. You'll appreciate this feature when you're juggling multiple dishes or have your hands full. One standout feature is the Quartz heat technology. This innovative system delivers 40% more even heat compared to conventional heating elements. What does this mean for you? Consistent crisping and even browning across your dishes. Plus, it preheats faster, saving you precious time in the kitchen. You'll be impressed by the oven's capacity. It can easily accommodate a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread. This makes it perfect for family meals or when you're entertaining guests. The removable crumb tray is a thoughtful addition, simplifying cleanup after your culinary adventures. The built-in interior light is a game changer. You can monitor your food as it cooks without opening the doors and losing heat. This feature is especially useful when you're baking delicate items that require precise timing. With 11 precision cooking functions, this oven is incredibly versatile. You can air fry, toast, bake, roast, broil, and even dehydrate foods. The high contrast LCD screen gives you complete control over all these features, ensuring an exceptional cooking experience every time. So, what is the best air fryer with French doors on the market today? In my opinion, the best French door air fryer in terms of quality and value is definitely the Emeril Lagasse 26-quart extra large air fryer. You'll love the Emeril Lagasse 26-quart extra large air fryer's ability to tackle a wide range of cooking tasks. With its generous capacity, you can easily prepare meals for 4 to 6 people, making it perfect for family dinners or small gatherings. The French door design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen while providing easy access to your food. The 25 cooking presets are a game changer, taking the guesswork out of preparing various dishes. You can effortlessly switch between air frying, baking, roasting, and even slow cooking with just a touch of a button. This feature is especially handy when you're experimenting with new recipes or want to achieve consistent results every time. The dual-speed fan technology ensures your food comes out crispy and golden on the outside while remaining tender on the inside. You'll be amazed at how you can achieve that perfect fried texture without the need for excessive oil. This not only makes your meals healthier, but also reduces cleanup time. Temperature control is a breeze with this appliance, allowing you to set it anywhere up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature capability means you can tackle a variety of cooking methods, from low and slow roasting to quick and crispy air frying. The automatic shutoff feature adds an extra layer of safety, giving you peace of mind while you're multitasking in the kitchen. The stainless steel exterior not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability. You'll appreciate how easy it is to wipe clean, maintaining its polished appearance even after frequent use. The interior light is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the doors and losing heat. With its combination of style, functionality, and capacity, this Emeril Lagasse air fryer is sure to become the centerpiece of your culinary adventures. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best French door air fryer for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.